Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how we can move that equipment to the north south or east west direction by using the command in SP3D. So first you have to go to the tasks, then go to the equipment and furnishing. Then you have to choose the equipment, or you can shift that shape also by selecting the shape. But in this video I will make sure that the equipment will whole equipment will move at a one time. So we go to the equipment, then select that equipment. Now you can directly put a right click here and then select the select nested option. So you can see now the whole nozzle as well as different type of shape selected here by selecting this command like select nested. You also do here also by clicking the right and then select nested, or you can directly click on the equipment and select click on the right button and do the select nested option click. Okay, then there are the different command in SP3D to select the move, or to select to move that equipment to the any direction. Select this command, that is move. Okay, after that move command you have to always check this right in this fast move option. Okay, then there is a pin point here. You can select any point here. From now I will select this nozzle. This will be my reference point through which I will move that equipment. So select that. Now after a yellow mark appear on that selected nozzle, click the left button on your mouse. Then now you can see wherever you want to move, either on the east, either on to the north direction. You have to lock that. How we can lock? There is a cursor. There is cursor on your mouse. Click on that cursor on which direction you want to lock that. So I will lock this cursor in north direction. Okay, the north you are seeing in your screen. Click on the center of the cursor, then this north direction lock. Okay, so now you can give the value, or you can directly put wherever you want. Okay, so I will show now directly how we can move. In this position I want to move that. I will click left in the mouse. Okay, the equipment will move according to that. If you want to move the particular equipment in the particular value, means specific value, for that you have to click that stick north icon, that is pinpoint. Okay, then stick northing elevation values come. Again you have to click on the move icon, then select that nozzle and left click on your mouse, then lock that wherever you want. I will lock now I will lock this in the east direction. Okay, as you lock means clicking on the center scroll button, then you see the northing value get locked, and you can move that equipment to the respective position. Here you can see the this value is changing and this value is locked. Okay, so earlier value was 31460, and I will move that to the 28,000 mm. Put that 2800 or 28,000 and enter. Now you see, and click the left icon on your mouse. So so you saw the equipment move to the east direction or south west direction by 20 to 15,000 with whatever you give the value. Again, there is one more trick. So you can make this point a 0 by clicking on that pinpoint and you and clicking right click, sorry, left click on that nozzle. So this value become the 0. Now you select the move icon. So now you see the easting and northing value appear here. Will be the 0 by on that nozzle. So click on the move icon, click on that nozzle, then again lock, where I will lock this time in north direction and give the value of 5,000. Here you can see the nozzle value is 00, and we are moving that equipment in south direction by here you can see the minus is there, means if you move that equipment to the south direction, this will appear a minus, as you see, and if you move the equipment in the north direction, this will be plus. Here are the icon north, east. So keep this in mind. So I will give the minus 4000 value now by that nozzle. So as you see, minus button is not working, so I will give the plus 4000 and click the enter button. So you see the equipment move in north direction by 4000, like this. So here is the helicopter icon. So after clicking on that, you can rotate that equipment whatever position you want to see. So this is a very useful software that is called Smart Plan 3D. This basically used for the routing pipe as well as modeling of any plant. So I hope you like this video. Keep in this touch with me by subscribing this channel. I will upload more such related 3D videos in the upcoming lecture. Thank you guys.